Hey everyone, welcome to Sax Spy, where I uncover the best vintage and modern saxophone gear, Vinty or Minty. And today I'll be comparing two SYOS signature mouthpieces, the Chad LB and the Ryan Devlin. When I put a poll out on Instagram, you guys wanted me to compare the SYOS signature Chad LB and the Ryan Devlin, both of which I have in blue and in an 8-star tip opening. Let's start with the similarities. Both the Chad LB and Ryan Devlin models feature a step baffle and a relatively small chamber that puts them on the medium bright to bright side. This also helps give them an extremely large dynamic range, playing a nice solid subtone all the way up to a brilliant fortissimo. I didn't have any response or articulation problems, and from the last video, we could see that both of these mouthpieces play up to the triple G in the altissimo range. Now let's talk about some of the differences. I would put the Chad LB model in the medium bright category, which is slightly darker than the Ryan Devlin in the bright category. This is due to the different baffle and chamber configurations. On the Chad LB model, the step baffle is about 1.5 millimeters shorter than the Ryan Devlin, and the chamber is slightly larger as well, with the body size being about 2 millimeters shorter than the Ryan Devlin. These subtle mouthpiece variations that lead to big tonal differences are some of the strengths of the SYOS brand. In order to help you guys get a better feel for the stylistic possibilities of these mouthpieces, I will be playing 6 transcriptions from different eras, including Ryan Devlin, Chad LB, Sonny Rollins, Chris Potter, Lester Young, and John Coltrane. For all of these tests, I will be using the same equipment and settings, including my Vinty AKG C414 BULS, my Vinty Selmer Mark 6 79000 1959, and my Minty the Boston Sax Shop Reeds No. 3. If you want to learn more about the equipment that I use to make these, check the description down below. So what did you think? Leave a comment down below which one you preferred, and if you want me to compare any more mouthpieces in the future. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of all of my future videos. And as always, keep an eye out for all things Vinty or Minty.